Posibleng magkagera kung magpapadala ang Pilipinas ng mga barko sa Reed Bank o Recto Bank sa West Philippine Sea. Ayon yan kay Senador Win Gatchalian, ito ang kanyang tugon sa suhestyon ni dating Supreme Court Senior Associate Justice Antonio Carpio na dapat nang maghukay sa Recto Bank para maghanap ng oil at gas.
Well, we should follow the example of Malaysia and Indonesia. They just went there. They just they sent their drill ship and survey ship, and protected by their navy and with the assistance, show of force of the U.S. and Australia, and that's the formula. We should just do it.
Pag nagpadala tayo ng gray ships, there's a big chance na magkakagera. No? Because gray ships is Navy na ito. If you notice, if we are only sending our civilian ships through the Philippine Coast Guard because our country, we don't want to escalate the situation.
Ani Gatchalian na siyang Vice Chairman ng Senate Committee on Energy, hindi rin naman pwedeng survey ship o drill ship lang ang ipadala dahil haharangin lang ito ng China. Mas mabuti niya kung magkakaroon ng pribado at masinsinang pag-uusap sa pamamagitan ng back-channel talks.
Well, ang normal dialogue right now, everything is in front of media. No? So, alam mo, pag nag-negotiate, tapos andyan media, pagalingan tayo eh. No? Patigasan tayo eh. No, but if you do back-channeling without external pressure, then we can be more frank and more open. And also more personal on that note. No? And I believe we can resolve many things by just talking quietly.
Anya, matagal na itong dapat ginawa dahil walang nareresolba sa bangayan ng dalawang bansa. Pero kaya pa bang idaan sa dialogo kung Recto Bank ang nakikitang solusyon sa posibleng power crisis dahil sa pagkasaid ng Malampaya gas field?
Well, na-extend na yung contract ng Prime Energy. So they are allowed to already explore in that area. And since Malampaya is already an existing well, and the exploration is only within the Malampaya area, from my understanding, wala namang problema to expand Malampaya.
Ani Gatchalian, tatlo ang pinaka-urgent na dapat talakayin. Huwag nang harangan ang ating supply mission sa Ayungin Shoal. Huwag gipitin ang Pilipinong mangingisda at paalisin ang mga Chinese militia na nagdudulot umano ng aksidente sa West Philippine Sea. Para kay Gatchalian, ang dapat daw manguna sa back-channel talks, isang taong pinagkakatiwalaan ng parehong panig.
It can be outside of DFA who has good relationship with China, who can have frank discussions, and who can deliver the message of our president. No? So it can be someone outside of the DFA, but trusted by the president.
Una nang lumutang ang pangalan ni dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte na posibleng manguna sa back-channel talks, pero wala siyang naging sagot dito. Kilala siyang malapit kay Chinese President Xi Jinping. Noong Hulyo, nakipagpulong siya kay Xi sa Beijing at may basbas naman daw ito ni Pangulong Marcos. Amor Santos, CNN Philippines.